I put the two harnesses, Pi and OmaPi, to a comparison and looked like which produced a better output for me, for myself, with the same prompt, with the same model, to see just the difference what the harness can do to the model and how much impact this has. Let's start with Pi. Pi is a minimal coding agent or coding harness that provides read, write, edit, and bash to it at the beginning and does not have anything else. You don't have any sub-agents or anything. You need to implement them by your own. If you want to know more about this, take a look at my last video. My last video was about the comparison between Pi and its big brother. I call it OmaPi. So we can see here the result, or maybe we start with the prompt. The prompt can be found here. The prompt I generated with Grok 4.5 and then just copied it in here. The goal was to do a 3D style Pokemon card with Free.js. If you want to know more about this, you can look or you can pause the video and look at the prompt, but both coding harnesses got the same prompt and they produced or one-shotted this task. So we can go and take a look at the results Pi did. Like you see, Pi did, I would say, the first impression would be it's amazing. It's moving. It has this, when you have a rare color in Pokemon card, it has this shining to it. Loading screen at the beginning. Of course, it's Pikachu. The type is correct, but you can see it is off. There's no image. I don't know why there's a line in the middle, and at the back you can see it. I would say tried to copy the back of a Pokemon card, but it does look okay. Don't get me wrong. Maybe with some extra prompts, like 2-3 prompts, we can improve this, add an image, improve the back of the card, improve, maybe put some stats to it, maybe the attacks, what they can have, anything like this. So yeah, it looks pretty okay, but there's missing something. Now we can look at OmaPi, the results. Here you can see the proof that I prompted it. Or I need to abort it once because it got stuck, because I think when you do 2 parallel calls to open code, it did not work. I don't know. I canceled it and rerun it. And then it rerun. You can see it is reading the documentations directly from the website. I did not like this because I would think npm package, download it, and then read it from my computer. But if we take a look at it later, you can see it here. We only used HTML and JS, so it did not use any React Next or anything like this, or 3-fiber, I think it called in React language. It's directly using Free.js, which is cool. Yes, so the prompting were pretty good, because take a look at it. Yeah, the back is again not a real Pokemon. I don't know why this is glowing, but at the front we would have like the name at the top, HP at the top. The shake effect is also a lot better. Of course, the image is not really Pikachu. I don't know why, but it's not Pikachu. But you have the attacks here, and yeah, the weakness and so on is not perfect, but it did everything without any. Let's say they take an image and place over the image the effects. For me, this is looking much better than this card here, because here you don't, well, I don't know what this is, maybe an ocean or anything like this where a boat drove by, I don't know. But for me, this is not looking as close, as good as this result here. So for me, also because of the user experience and everything like this, OmaPi would be the better choice for me. Maybe you can give it a try. You can connect, like if you have an open code subscription, you can connect it to both OmaPi and Pi. Also, the experience for me is better in OmaPi to connect any provider. But yes, for me, OmaPi wins. The results look much better. If you have different opinions or want to see different comparisons, you can also let me know this in the comments. And subscribe for more videos about AI and comparisons.